If you're serious about keeping more of your crypto profits, Coinbase or Robinhood might seem like the obvious pick, but that's exactly where some investors lose money on hidden costs. After thoroughly testing both of them for crypto, I found one of the platforms consistently offering much lower real costs and one hidden fee trap most beginners miss. So, who really has lower crypto fees? I've spent months tracking every trade to find out. Let's dive into Coinbase versus Robinhood. Alright, let's get straight to the heart of this Coinbase versus Robinhood for crypto debate. The truth is, while they both let you buy crypto coins, they're both for completely different people and they have different structures. Think of Coinbase as your dedicated crypto headquarters. Its strength is in being a clean, trusted, and incredibly beginner-friendly place to buy, sell, and hold a huge range of cryptocurrencies. It's for the person who sees crypto as a core part of their portfolio and wants a direct, powerful experience without the noise of stock and options and too much complication. Now, Robinhood is a completely different beast. It's built for the all-in-one trader. Its superpower is convenience and ease of use, right? So you can jump from stocks to options to crypto all in one slick app with a really nice interface and makes it really simple. So for someone who wants a really easy, fast, tap to trade experience for basically everything, Robinhood is incredibly appealing. All right, but don't just take my word for it for either of these platforms. So I dug into what actual users are saying, and the experience really highlights the split between these two. So take this Coinbase user, for example. He shared that Coinbase has been a constantly reliable and secure exchange throughout his investment period. He called it relatively simple to navigate, but also praised it for having all the latest tools when using the advanced spot trading version. So yeah, that matches my experience exactly. It grows with you from beginner to advanced. On the other hand, a Robinhood user was all about the convenience. Take this user, for example, who said in a review that he loves trading crypto and stocks on Hood, highlighting that he's had lots of winning. He further stated that the graphs and quotes were very detailed and helped him make better decisions. He loved having everything in one place, and it was easy to look around. Now, when it comes to Coinbase versus Robinhood and their crypto fee structure, the split gets even more interesting. Robinhood advertises commission-free trading. Their cost is built into the spread, which is the difference between the buy and sell price. For small, casual trades, this can often be cheaper than, Coinbase's standard fees. And Coinbase, on the other hand, has a more transparent but complex fee structure. So their basic interface has a spread plus a flat fee, which can be higher for small buys. But switch to advanced trade, and you get maker-taker model, where fees can drop below Robinhood's spread, especially if you trade more volume, so it can save you money there. I found this Reddit thread where someone bluntly stated, Robinhood is cheaper than Coinbase for buying Bitcoin. He compared the total price after fees every time and found that Robinhood gave them a better price per Satoshi. Another user chimed in admitting that he uses Robinhood for the convenience and the features like low-cost leverage, but added that he isn't fully trusting of the platform in general. This real user feedback is critical, looking at these reviews, reading what people actually say about them. It shows that Robinhood, it seems to win on simple cost for many, but the trust and the advanced tools that people usually need can sometimes pull people towards Coinbase. Alright, so now that we see the core difference between Coinbase and Robinhood, let's look at what you're actually subscribing to and what you get. I tested every major tool on both, and the split is clear. Coinbase is a crypto ecosystem, while Robinhood is a streamlined trading app with crypto as a feature. Let's start with Coinbase. If you're someone who wants to use your crypto, not just hold it, this platform feels built for the future and for that purpose precisely. One of my favorite features is Coinbase's integration with the Bitcoin Lightning Network, so this lets you send Bitcoin almost instantly with fees that are just pennies. For moving Bitcoin quickly and cheaply, it's a game changer that Robinhood simply doesn't offer. Then there's staking. With Coinbase, you can earn rewards on assets like Ethereum, Cardano, or Solana just by holding them in your account. I've been staking a portion of my ETH for a while now, and it's a really simple way to put your idle crypto to work if you're not actively using it. For the more advanced user, features like DEX trading and Coinbase wallet integration are really huge. You can trade tokens directly on decentralized platforms from within Coinbase, and they connect you to the entire world of DeFi. And with crypto-backed loans, you can also borrow against your holdings without having to sell. This is next-level utility that transforms crypto from a speculative asset into financial leverage. A feature I think is brilliant for transparency is the experimental asset label. Coinbase slaps this on newer or lower volume tokens. It's their way of saying, hey, this one might be a bit more volatile, trade with caution. So I appreciate that honesty. It helps you make more informed decisions. And we can't forget security, of course. Coinbase has an entire guide on making your account more secure with strong passwords, two-step verification, and biometrics. But don't just take my word for it. During my research, I came across this Coinbase user review, which highlights this exact point. He said he likes Coinbase for its security, ensured guarantee of funds, and noted that while it has a trading fee, advanced trading has lower fees. They also have the Coinbase card, which is a Visa debit card that lets you spend your crypto anywhere you want. I've used it for a couple small purchases. It seamlessly converts crypto directly into dollars at the point of sale, so it turns your portfolio into a spending account as well. Okay, now let's look at Robinhood's features. Their strength is in streamlining the traditional investing experience and adding crypto to it as a feature. The Robinhood Cash Card and spending accounts are central to this, so you can get paid early, you can spend with your card, you can round up purchases to invest the change. For traders, Robinhood Legend is their more advanced web-based trading platform if you want to get more complicated. It lets you build custom layouts with charts, watch lists, and options chains all on one screen. If you're active in stocks and options and you want to add a little crypto to the side and use those tools, this unified workspace is really powerful for that. A newer feature that shows that they're really trying to compete in the crypto space is Robinhood Wallet. So this is a self-custody wallet, meaning that you hold the keys to your crypto on chains like Ethereum, Solana, and Bitcoin. Robinhood Connect also lets you fund this wallet really easily. This is Robinhood's attempt to bridge into the decentralized world, which I think is a step in the right direction. They also offer Robinhood Strategies, which is a robo-advisor service for a managed portfolio. It's not crypto-focused, but it shows their aim to be your entire financial hub. A Robinhood user review I came across really sums up the appeal. He said that Robinhood made it easy to invest by giving clear information about companies' financial performance, and that he's had no trouble with deposits or withdrawals. This is the Robinhood experience. It's simple, it's clear, and it's integrated. Honestly, when you stack these features side by side, the depth isn't even close for a crypto enthusiast, specifically for crypto. As noted by experts on sites like Investopedia, while Robinhood is great for beginners who want a limited selection of crypto alongside stocks, Coinbase itself is a comprehensive digital asset exchange with a vast range of assets and advanced tools like staking, lending, and DeFi access. If crypto is your main focus, Coinbase's features are in a different league. But of course, in our Coinbase versus Robinhood review, I can't say that either platform is perfect, right? So to make the best choice, you need to know any of the downsides. For Coinbase, the most common complaint I see, not that often, but it's the most common one, revolves mostly around customer support and account verification. This user was frustrated, saying that he's been having trouble verifying his Coinbase account. He did multiple verifications and couldn't solve the issue. So yeah, I get it. Like, that feeling is incredibly frustrating. The platform is so focused on security that sometimes the verification process can feel like a wall, and sometimes you lose access to an account and you need to reset things. And I mean, my advice, just make sure your documents are crystal clear and be patient. And for what it's worth, once you're through that gate, I found the platform itself to be extremely reliable, and the security is a good idea. Now, for Robinhood, a user pointed out a major pain point for them. If you sell a stock or option contract for $500 on Monday, you cannot transfer that $500 out of your account until the next business day. And then it takes 4 to 6 business days before it appears in your bank account. This is the classic T+2 settlement period that all brokerages use, but Robinhood's policies on withdrawing your proceedings can feel a bit restrictive. I do see it as the trade-off for that slick, frictionless entry, and an extra couple days is not that much for me, but I get how it can be frustrating for some. Now, when it comes to Coinbase versus Robinhood's fees, the answer to who has lower fees isn't static. As we touched on earlier, Robinhood's no commission model with a built-in spread can be cheaper for small one-off buys. It's very accessible. Coinbase, however, uses a tiered fee structure, so their basic consumer interface has higher, simpler fees that can be more expensive for smaller trades, but then they have their advanced trade platform where it gets more competitive for active traders and lower fees per trade for larger trades. So if you want to get the absolute latest fee schedules and to see if there are any sign-up offers or discounts available right now, check the links I've put in the description below. I'll do my best to keep those updated for you. So, after all of this testing in the Coinbase versus Robinhood for crypto face-off, what's actually better, Coinbase or Robinhood? Well, if your top priority is the absolute lowest possible fee for casual small buys and you love having stocks and crypto all in a simple app, then Robinhood is a strong choice. But if you see crypto as a serious part of your financial future and you want to keep it isolated and you want to have the extra tools and the extra insight and you want those lower fees on the larger trades through advanced trade, and maybe if you value that dedicated ecosystem with the customer service specifically for crypto, then Coinbase, I think, is turning into one of the best crypto platforms out there, and it might be the best for turning crypto into more than just a trade for you. So to get started, make sure to check the links in the description of this video and tell them we sent you.